today we are going to unbox the OnePlus Bud Z, and this is the package which we got from OnePlus. I've ordered it for 2,730 rupees. Yes, that's a 2,730 from the OnePlus official store. In comparison to the box of the earbuds box, the outer covering is too large. Let me quickly unbox it. So here we have this box. It is quite nicely packed. Let me see if I can open it. No, I'll have to cut this thing. And inside this, here we have the OnePlus Bud Z White. This is the white variant which we have. Grey one was out of stock. And let me quickly keep this aside. Here it says base boost, 20 hours of battery life, water and sweat resistance, comfortable and cool design, seamless connection, and the MRP is 3190. Let's quickly open it up. We have this thing over here to open it without any problem. Yeah, so here we have it. So here, as we open the box, we have this capsule shaped buds. Let's keep them for a side for once. Let's see what else we have in the box. Here we have the accessories. What it has, let's have a look. Okay, so first of all, we have these ear tips. So here we have these different sized ear tips, and let's keep them also. So this one is a glossy finish and not like a matte finish like the OnePlus Buds, but a glossy finish. Some people might like the matte one or the glossy one. I preferably myself like the matte one more, but the design of the OnePlus Buds is a half in-ear kind of thing, like the Apple AirPods. It might be comfortable for some people, but for people like me, no. I preferably don't like those because they keep on falling. It completely depends on the size of your ear hole. For people like me who have small opening in their ear, those are not that comfortable. The completely in-ear design is good for us. Let me quickly fetch my phone. So here I have my OnePlus Nord, and I'll turn on Bluetooth. Okay, it's already on. Let me open this case. I feel that something should pop up, right? So first of all, it's not that easy to open this case with one hand. Like, it's not that comfortable because of this capsule shape, right? So see, as you can see, like, opening this is not that easy. if you open with two hands, it's fine. But with one hand, you have to do that little bit of extra effort. Right? Talking about the sound, yeah, it's so satisfying. And the magnet is also quite good. And if we talk about this, the magnet is quite good. It doesn't fall though. And the buds along with the case are not that heavy. But one thing, I didn't see anything popped up. So I was expecting that something will pop up like connect or something. Okay, let's pair them, pair new device. OnePlus Buds C. And I pair them. So yeah, they're connected. Here it shows me the battery of the case as well as the individual buds, left earphone, right earphone and the case. So as of now it says that the left one is on 100% charge, the right one is on 98. That's weird because we just opened it up and it should be 100 for both. And the buds case is at a charge of 61%. Right? So it got disconnected automatically because I closed the case, I suppose. Let me open it again. And it's connected again. Perfect. Now let me take out any one bud. So, let's see, now they are connected. And here we have the buds, the left one and right one. So here we can see that L and R is written so that we know which is of which. Anyway, we can check it from the design also, right? So let me play something on these. Currently I am playing it on around 50% of the volume. The sound quality is fine, but the bass is kind of not that deep. It is quite loud. Let me try to pull one earphone from my ear and we can see that as I pulled one earphone out, it got paused. Let me put it back in. And it auto played. This was for right earphone. Let me try it with the left one. Same happens with the left one. And I put it back and it's working again. Let's see what all settings we have. So here we can, if you have a OnePlus phone, you can make these customizations on what to do when you tap this right bud or the left earbud, right? So by default, it's that when you tap on both of them, it will be playing the next track. We can change it to these four options which we get, which are play, pause, voice assistant, previous track or next track. So here we have this. I double tap it and we can see that it has changed. Talking about the battery life of these earbuds, a complete charge gives us around 20 hours of music playback. And apart from that, this comes with fast charging. A 10 minutes of charge can give us a 3 hour of music playback as guaranteed by OnePlus. And I'm quite optimistic about it because OnePlus phones and their fast charging techniques have really proved it. My Nord also charged around in 1 hour 10 minutes of stuff and it works for one complete day. So I'm quite optimistic about this thing that it will work pretty well, but I'll definitely make a review video after 10 or 15 days of usage. Now, apart from the battery life, these come with IP55 water and splash resistance. Does this mean they are waterproof? No, definitely. These earbuds are not waterproof, but they are sweat-proof or splash resistant. So you can wear them during workout without any tension of these getting damaged. So we've talked about the battery life, the sound quality, which is great, but the bass, it misses a point in the bass. It could have been better, and apart from that, this design, it's quite difficult to open it with the one hand. So will I recommend you to buy these? The answer is simple.
if your budget is 3000 and you are looking for the best earbuds, this is the pick you've got to go with. That's all for this video. I hope you liked it. If you have any suggestions or feedback, let me know in the comment sections. Meet you in the next video. Bye.